Welcome back to Simply Filters. You might think your air filter lasts as long as the label says, but in humid areas, it could be collecting more than you realize. Let's talk about how often you should really replace it. Humidity changes everything when it comes to indoor air. Moist air can cause filters to trap more dust, pollen, and even mold, which reduces airflow and can make your system less effective. Here's a simple guide for humid climates. Check your filter monthly. Even if the manufacturer says 90 days, moisture can saturate the filter sooner. Look for signs of buildup. If your filter looks dark, dusty, or damp, it's time to replace it. Don't wait for a schedule. Upgrade when needed. HEPA or high-quality filters handle moisture and particles better than standard ones. And be sure to keep up with system maintenance. Keep your HVAC system clean and free of moisture buildup to prevent mold growth and maintain healthy airflow. Replacing your filter on time or a little earlier in humid months keeps your home's air fresh, your system efficient, and your family breathing easier. If you found this helpful, subscribe and check out our Instagram. We do cool giveaways each month.